Man, blood. What's up with that nigga Curtis though, cuz? Yeah, nigga, what's up with that nigga, cuz? Man, I don't know, cuz. Tell you the truth, I don't like that nigga no more. Why not, man? Why not? Because, man, this nigga think he fucking hard, cuz. Fuck that nigga, cuz. Nigga think he get some money now, he can talk how he want to talk. Nigga think he can do what he want to do. He think he could just take anybody, bitch, that he want to take. Man, fuck that nigga, cuz, straight up. Oh shit, cuss, here he come, here he come, here he come. What's up, y'all? What y'all niggas doing, cuz? Shit, chillin'. What's up with you, though, nigga? Nah, shit. Nigga just rolling. Hey, hold up, though, cuz. Let me grab this shit out of my car real quick. Alright? Yeah. Do that. Man, look at this motherfucker, man. Motherfucker, I know you gonna go grab some shit out your motherfucking car, nigga. You ain't gotta acknowledge me, nigga, that you gonna grab some shit out your car, nigga. Fuck, nigga, ain't no shit I want anyway in that motherfucker, nigga. Nigga, I bet when you don't say that shit when you come right here. Man, I don't give a fuck about that nigga, cuz. Straight up, cuz. That nigga, I don't give a fuck, nigga. Straight up, nigga. Real talk, man. Oh, what's up, cuz? Y'all niggas wanna drink, cuz? I got these bottles right here and shit, nigga. I know y'all niggas ain't doing shit but just wasting your life right here. What's up? Y'all want this shit or what? Or y'all good? Y'all cool? Well, yeah, nigga, let me get that. Yeah, alright. What about you? Yeah, cuz. Let me hit that shit, nigga. Nigga, I swear you fool. Niggas out here be hated on you, cuz. On the low though, nigga, no homo though. Niggas be hated on you, cuz. I be hearing shit, nigga. They be like, that nigga Curtis a bitch. Straight up though, cuz. Oh, for real, cuz? Who be saying that shit? Nah, I ain't gonna say no name though, because you know how that shit is. Yeah, nigga, but yeah, nigga, watch your back out here, nigga. Niggas is hated on you for no reason right now. Just cause you get it in, nigga, you know, nigga. It's us right here, nigga. Just kick it with us, for you good, dog. For you ain't gotta worry about that shit. Oh, for real, cuz? Alright, cuz. You know what I mean? I ain't worried about them, cuz ain't nobody gonna show their goddamn face to me, nigga. Cause they already know how I'ma get down if nigga when it come down to getting down. I'ma fuck the nigga up, slap him in the head, call him a bitch. Yeah, nigga, we know how you do. But what's up, though, cuz? Yeah, we fuck with the hoes tonight or what, cuz? Nah, man. I'm chilling tonight, man. Matter of fact, fool, y'all niggas better grab y'all bitch, cuz, I got me a little badass bitch right now, nigga. I ain't about to be fucking out like that no more, cuz. It's fucking dead out here anyway, you feel me, my nigga? Yeah, nigga, I'm about to grab me a bitch too, cuz. Straight up, nigga. Oh, the tears though, cuz. Yeah, nigga. I wonder how what your bitch look like, cuz. Cuz she bad than motherfucker. Something you brag about, nigga. Shine you wanna take home, boo up, kiss all day, fuck all night. You know what I mean? Might even buy her something, cuz. Yeah, nigga, you a whole cake, nigga, for doing that shit, nigga. You soft, nigga. Nah, cuz I just got her like that, bruh. Yeah, oh yeah. Fuck you. What, nigga? Nah, I'm fuck her out with you, cuz. You alright. You cool. I know, I know. I know this, man. But hey, though, I'm out. Go ahead, keep the rest of that $10 bottle. It's on me, though. I'm out, cuz. I'm out. Man, this nigga, man. Man. Man, I don't know. Fuck it. Give me that bottle. Let me hit that bottle, man. Let me hit that bottle. Yeah. You got some cocaine? Damn, nigga.